Hey there, paying off your credit card? Let's go over how to properly record a credit card payment in Quickbooks Online, whether you are paying by check or electronically. The easiest way to record a credit card payment is through the Pay Down Credit Card option. First, click on New under Money Out, select Pay Down Credit Card. Choose the credit card you made the payment to. Enter the payment amount, and payment date. Now select the bank account you wish to make the payment. If you paid by check, check the box for I made a payment with a check and enter the check number, and for electronic payments enter the EFT number. Add a memo or attachment if needed. Finally, click Save and Close to record the payment. If you prefer to use a different method, you can always record a credit card payment using a check. Select New, then check under Vendors in the Pay field. Choose the credit card vendor, pick the bank account from which the payment is being made, enter the payment date and check number. Fill in the category details, payment amount and any memo notes. Make sure to uncheck Print Letter if the check was already issued. Once everything looks good, click Save and Close. And that's it. There, you have successfully recorded a credit card payment in Quickbooks Online. Stay organized and keep your financial records smooth. For more QuickBook tips, don't forget to like and subscribe.